So basically what ceramics do is it helps you, it's like more of a safe place. I really feel like if you do want to look for creativity, that is definitely something that's really good. Putting your hands in dirt and, just having fun with it, like just letting the clay take you where you want it to take it, and it takes your mind off of a lot of things as well. If you're stressed out about something, clay, sometimes you just gotta make things, even the things that you're thinking of, you can make as well. I have been taught so many different things. One thing I do admire about my professor is the fact that he doesn't use our failures against us.
I teach several different techniques in both hand building and wheelwork, so they can choose which technique that they would like to use. Then they sculpt or build their thought, their idea, their pattern, and then that has to dry. Once it dries, then we can put it in the kiln, and they'll take that out. Then they'll decorate the surface with whatever type of colors they want. I think what we forget is how much we use ceramics every day. Realizing that critical thinking is applied to everything that they do, and there's not necessarily only one answer to a solution.
I really feel like I get to know people as well in my classroom. It does really show your artwork, shows how, what you think and how you are other than that. And then people just make things that they never thought they could make. They just attempt it and then it will come out beautifully every time. And the best thing of it all is whenever everything just comes out and you see yourself made it and didn't explode, and it's a great thing. I love it overall. And it's just being able to take something home and look at it every day and just know that you made that is the best feeling.